In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopify API Key. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, sign in to your Shopify admin dashboard. You need to be an account owner or have permissions to manage apps. Once you're logged in, look to the bottom left for settings, and from there, open apps and sales channels. This is where Shopify centralizes app management and where you'll enable development features. If you haven't enabled custom app development yet, click Develop Apps and choose Allow Custom App Development when prompted. This unlocks the ability to create apps specific to your store for integrations or testing. Remember, enabling this is something you only need to do once per store, and it's a normal step for developers or anyone integrating services. Next, create the app. Click Create an App, give it a clear name that identifies its purpose, and proceed to create it. A descriptive name helps later when you manage multiple apps. For example, include the integration type or environment like Orders Integration Dev, so it's easy to find. After the app exists, you need to configure admin API scopes. Open the Admin API Integration section, then click Configure Admin API Scopes. Select the permissions your app requires. Choose read or write permissions only for the resources you need. Common scopes include read products when you only need product data, or write orders if your app will create or update orders. Keeping scopes minimal follows the principle of least privilege and reduces risk if credentials are ever exposed. When you're done selecting scopes, click Save. With scopes configured, scroll back up and install the app. Click Install App and confirm by clicking Install again. This step finalizes the permissions you've set and creates the credentials you'll use to access the API. Once installation completes, your API credentials will appear on the app page. Click Reveal to see the Admin API Access Token. Copy the Admin API Access Token, and also copy your API key and API secret key. These values are only shown once, so save them securely right away. Good practices include storing them in a password manager, environment variables, or a secrets manager rather than hard coding them in your app. Never expose these credentials in client-side code, public repositories, or screenshots. Finally, consider running a quick test call from a secure server environment to verify the token works and the scopes behave as expected. If anything looks off, you can always adjust scopes or revoke and regenerate credentials. That covers the full process for getting your Shopify API key.